Welcome to Boral News. Wall painting competition to create awareness. In order to create awareness among voters, the Dima Hasao District Election Branch on Friday organized a creative wall painting competition with a theme, My Vote is My Choice, Vote Ethically, as a part of systematic voters' education and electoral participation program in connection with forthcoming assembly election pertaining to 16 Haflong ST LSC. Altogether, 12 participants took part in the competition where Ramhyabir Ryame bagged first prize, while Irambambe Ryame and Alexa Hojai bagged second and third prize respectively. Dima Hasao's Deputy Commissioner Paul Barua on Saturday gave away prizes to the winners in presence of Additional DC Rajiv Roy, Additional DC Lal Rolu Kyangte and MD Abul Kalam, Dima Hasao's election officer. Deputy Commissioner Paul Barua, while addressing the gathering, appreciated the works of all the participants and wished them good luck in their endeavor. Additional Deputy Commissioner Rajiv Roy and Additional Deputy Commissioner L. Kyangte also addressed the gathering, where they opined that the voters' awareness message in their creative art would make voters interested in voting. The meeting was attended among others by the officers and staff of INPR, Dima Hasao staff engaged in systematic voters' education and electoral participation cell media persons, and the parents of the
ADC Shri Lalrolu Kyangte, Election Officer Shri Mohammed Abul Kalam. Going next to the schedule of the program, I request
participants to participate in the process of democracy, because if you, as and when you attain 18 years of age, those who have you are most probably in the age group of 15 to 18, so will be after 2 or 3 years or 4 years will be joining this process of democracy by being the voter. So as you have participated, your ethicality, you have shown you are ethical, your mind is fresh, you have sincerity to the democratic process. So accordingly, with this freshness in your mind, when you become a voter, you don't try to follow. Ask your parents, your friends, guardians, wherever you can, to go about for ethical voting. So in the concept, with this concept, when you attain the age of 18 years,
बड़ा प्रेजेंट देखो थोड़ा भारी है क्या अंदर में
अच्छा लगा, मतलब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिला है मेरे लिए, फ़र्स्ट टाइम है, फिर भी मतलब बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है। मैं एक प्रैक्टिशनर हूँ और अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला है। ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ, मतलब बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है ये भी। एक्चुअली ये ऑर्गेनाइजर्स ने बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक चुना है, योर वोट इज़ योर वॉइस और वोट एथिकली। तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट हम लोग पार्टिसिपेंट ने सभी यही बनाया है। सब लोग का अलग अलग अप्रोचेस है, मतलब कोई कार्टून बनाया, कोई मतलब कार्टून टाइप का, एनिमेट टाइप का बनाया, कोई एब्स्ट्रैक्ट में बनाया। मैंने भी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट और डायरेक्ट मीनिंग भी बनाया है। मैंने वही टॉपिक के माध्यम से एक मैसेज मतलब वोटर्स को या पब्लिक को मतलब दिखाने के लिए एक मैसेज दिया है कि बहुत एथिकली मतलब सही सही मतलब चीज़ को मतलब सोच के अच्छे से देख के उसको समझ के मतलब किसको वोट देने से अच्छा होगा, कौन मतलब दिल से मतलब काम कर रहा है, किसका मतलब किस पॉलिटिशियन को या किस ग्रुप को देने से मतलब हमारे लिए कौन मतलब फ़ायदा क्या होगा, मतलब वो दिखाने के लिए मैंने बनाया है। यही है और वही है मतलब जो बनाया है हम लोग मैसेज देना चाहते हैं, सही चुनो मतलब सोच समझ के सोचिए, वही है।
It may be mentioned that Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation Cell of Dima Hasao District Election has been organizing a series of programs across the district to create awareness among voters.
I think this is the most creative kind of sweep I have seen so far. We have done one song, and at one point the sweep program was not going off too well. You know, it was somehow lacking that energy. But as we are coming very close to the election on 1st, I see some improvement. Definitely some improvement in sweep. More participation, more programs, and I have been following sweep programs of other districts also, where they have used very well-known artists to make their movies. But here with a very small budget, I think we are doing very reasonably quite well. I mean, the good thing about this whole program of having a wall painting is that it is educating the artist, not only educating the artist for what elections are, what is ethical election. Those things are very important. This, while conveying this is basically mass communication idea. Your ideas are turned from artistic values into something very beautiful, so that from your painting you're conveying an idea, a concept. So these concepts are beautifully coming out. As I had seen, there could be small errors which I need not discuss, because you just have to improve on them. Because building concepts sometimes, parliamentary election and assembly election, they are two different things. But it's okay. You have covered up whatever small errors you have done by beautifully using the colors. The mediums have been used very well. Light and shade, dark shades, lighter shades. The portrait of the portraits, and some of the paintings are abstract paintings which I have seen. So those are also very good, and I really like them. And the ideas were well conveyed, well communicated. I'm sure these paintings will last for a very long time, as long as the wall is not painted. So every time you cross this street, you will see your painting in this wall, and you will feel very proud because of that. I hope by these paintings which you have drawn today and finalized, it will bring some message to the voter. Basically, the paintings what you have shown are about ethical voting. One or two concepts were on basically postal ballots also. I've seen some paintings also conveying about postal ballots, right to vote and things like that. So those who are very young now, who are going to vote by 18 years, you are fully aware of the concept now. But you cannot be bribed, you cannot be given any kind of incentive to vote. Vote is your own, आपका अधिकार है. So these concepts will have to be reaching to as many people possible. Therefore, that is what the concept is. We are trying you to participate in such an event, so that more and more people, by your painting, draw some kind of inspiration. That ठीक है जो बनाया, whatever you have drawn, that message has to be very clear, and people to understand, okay, by giving money or giving incentive, they are not the right candidate for you. That is what you are trying to portray. I could make out from this. So hence they have also rightly given in the message correctly in the painting, and it will draw some very good conclusions for people to educate themselves, be more ethical. That message is now, whenever people see your painting, appreciate, they question the painting, but at the same time when they question the painting, they will also draw some message out of it. Hence it serves absolute requirement what we fulfill. This program is fulfilled, that is educating the voter. It has come out beautifully. The paintings are of high standards, I would say, rather high standards. Some of the paintings have poster-like quality, but beautifully done. I liked Alexa's painting. It was a little different because it conveyed a lot of things. There was a lot of abstraction in those ideas. So I asked her name, why have you heard of her equipment called Alexa? So it's an Amazon equipment basically. So those things are there. All the paintings were, I think, equally good, very smart, very nice. And I wish everybody the very best. Continue with this pursuit, because I'm also kind of an amateur artist, but I do a lot of watercolor. And I love painting. It's more of, my work is more of illustrative type. More like, when you draw something on books, illustration type. That type of painting I like to. It's all
Reporting by Pankaj Timung, Borail News.